Welcome back, my friends, to Surviving the Daily. I hope everyone are surviving well. So it's that time of month again where I feel the need to prove to everyone that I have an addiction to gear. Some of the gear has actually been sent into the channel for us to take a look at by the manufacturers, but a lot of the gear I have purchased myself through the funds that this channel has provided. So I want to thank you all for helping out with that. You kind of all are enablers, if you ask me. But this is more or less a therapy session. Maybe one day I will kick the habit, but hopefully not anytime soon. I do love doing this. I do love showing off all the gear that comes into the channel and giving you my opinion on it. So let's first start off with the first item. Let me rephrase this. Let's start off with the first item, and that's going to be the RWB, the red, white, and blue ripstop range hat. Came in at $29, and it does have a Velcro adjustment right here. Made 100% in United States. I love that. That was the biggest reason why I purchased this. And as you can see, we don't have a button on top. I love that as well. And it is solidly made, and you can see their logo right there. Awesome hat. One of my favorite hats to wear nowadays. And you can get it in different colors. You can get it with or without the American flag. You can get it with other logos, camo, all sorts of things. Make sure you check them out on their website. I will leave that link to this hat as well as everything else down in the description. And I did purchase this with my own funds. Next item, and this is thanks to, I think, Not Your Grandpa's EDC YouTube channel on YouTube. Funny, YouTube channel on YouTube. Figure that out. So these are going to be the Work Pro precision screwdrivers. I'm showing you. I don't think I need that box anymore. So pretty cool about these. What are they? Well, bam! Look at that. We have screwdrivers. Pull them out like that, and they're precision screwdrivers. You get basically 12 different sizes and types of screwdrivers. Well, I think I just broke that one. Let's see. Bam. Let's put this in here. There we go. And then on this side here, we have the flatheads and the Phillips heads. That is pretty cool. So I will leave the Amazon affiliate link down in the description for these, as well as a link to Not Your Grandpa's EDC YouTube channel. Thank you for that heads up on these here. Next item is going to be the OK tape. It's pre-cut bandages, and as you can see, I'm wearing one. I tend to cut myself a lot these days, but they don't have that little pad, little band-aid pad that you get in a normal band-aid. But sometimes you just don't need one of those. You just need a very large band-aid. These are great for blisters and cuts and splits and whatever else may come your way. The only problem is it is in a roll, and the roll does like to come undone. So I found these on Amazon for $8.99. They are 1.2 inches wide and 3.5 inches long. You get 40 pieces for $8.99. Next item I had to take off my belt, which is this is going to be the Viper Aid PJ33 leather sheath. Found this on Amazon for $16.99. I can wear my Leatherman Arc on my belt like this. What's the orientation called again? God, I'm getting old. Memory's fading. But a great way to carry a Leatherman. And it does have that spot for a pen, which, you know what, I may end up just putting a spare flashlight in there. Now I think about it. You can never have too many flashlights on you, right? Yeah, we'll worry about that later. So that's going to be the Viper Aid PJ33 leather sheath, $16.99. Another item that came in that I purchased is the Wolf Box. This is a electric air duster. It is the MF100, $79.99, but it's worth every dollar. This thing is amazing. It just is charged. There we go. What can we? I mean, it's just one hell of an air duster, and it's great for cleaning out your car, your truck, cleaning off your desk. Yeah, it's just extremely powerful. But the fans in here, they work at 150,000 RPMs up to. It's amazing. And it has 3 different speeds. So, Wolf Box. That's the MF100 electric air duster. $79.99 on Amazon, but don't pay full price. Wait till it goes on sale. Now we also have that came in that I purchased the Tucson TS150 Little Fish. And this is in the fat carbon fiber with the M390 steel. It's an awesome little fixed blade knife. I love it. It comes with the Kydex sheath. I put the little lanyard on. $64.99. You can get them for cheaper with I think $38.99 on the Tucson website if you don't want the fat carbon. But I will leave a link to the White Mountain Knives listing for this. That is not an affiliate link. But definitely love this little knife. I mean, where else can you get an M390 blade steel for under $70? You can't. But now we have some flashlights that came into the channel. We have the Tuning S15 Pro TK, and this is a cool little flashlight. And a very bright little flashlight. It has some awesome little options. You have a screwdriver on that end, a package opener, and well, a pry tool. And you put that on and it turns into a swivel. So a quick release. You put this on your keys. You can put this on your coat pocket, whatever you want to do. You can hang this from just about anything, and it has that quick release. Also, that came into the channel is the Acebeam K1, and this is a 3-beam flashlight. We have the UV, the laser, and the spotlight, or the spotlight. I don't remember how many lumen output this has, but Acebeam is one of my favorite flashlight companies. It makes some amazing stuff at very good prices. Now my forever flashlight, the Arc Pro. This is one amazing flashlight, and it has the spotlight, the floodlight, and also has UV and green laser. It does it all. There's your UV, and then there's your spotlight, floodlight. Only thing that this lacks is, well, maybe they could make it so it charges other devices in a pinch, but they finally started putting the USB Type-C on their flashlights in addition to the magnetic charging. That's brilliant, but I still love the magnetic charging. The Yumivo digital voice recorder. It is powered by ChatGPT, and it's a very slim, very compact, and capable voice recorder. I will leave a link to the video for that down in the description, and also the link to that right there. Awesome little voice recorder, and it is MagSafe. You can put it on your iPhone, or if you have a MagSafe compatible case for your Android. Last item that I purchased myself is the Lockbee Field Sling $59.99 on their website. I will leave a link again down in the description for this. I love this little filled sling. Great for carrying it around your iPad or iPad mini. And high vis. And definitely recommend it. I love Lockbee. They make some awesome products, and the wax canvas is just amazing. So that is another purchase of mine. And then last few items that were sent into the channel, and I've yet to do a video on them. We have the Felissa multifunction pocket knife, the 2.5. So this has a cordage cutter, it has a bottle opener, a window breaker, and then the knife itself. I couldn't find out what the blade steel is on this, but very inexpensive little knife. It is coming in at $9.99. I love Felissa knives too. They make some really awesome knives for the price that they charge. So that is the 2.5-inch Felissa mini pocket knife, stainless steel it says, G10 handle. I also have another knife from them. This is going to be a 5CR 15 MOV high carbon stainless steel. Does need a little working in. I will give it that. But you do have that flipper tab. You have thumb studs. It is tip down carry. G10 handle. Very nice, very sharp feeling blade. And it is a liner lock. So that is the Felissa 3.5-inch stonewash pocket knife. $12.89, sorry, with the G10. You can get it in my Carta for $13.99. It is a liner lock. And Great Star also sent over a couple mossy oak items. We have the mossy oak 21-in-1 stainless steel multi-tool. It does have the bits here. It has 8 bits. It is a spring-loaded pair of pliers. And you get quite a few tools with this. Well, obviously 21-in-1. There's your bit driver. And they are liner locks, right? Can't remember. I'll put that one up. You'd think this is my first day in the job, right? How do I put that down? I heard it lock in. I do have a serrated knife and a straight knife. Push down, that's what it is. That's nice. I like that. You push down on the liner lock. That's a different action that I'm used to. It has quite a few different tools on it. And you can pick this up on Amazon for $27.99. And last but not least, I can't wait to try this out, but it's not going to be until springtime. This is going to be the Mossy Oak folding saw with pouch, 7-inch. This is going to go into my bug out bag. But check this out. It is a button lock. It is a 7 tooth per inch bimetal Teflon blade. And those are very sharp. And it does have an 8-inch handle, 7-inch blade. That's pretty freaking cool. I do want to thank Great Star for sending these over to the channel, and I do need to come up with a video on these items. And that's nice. You got to use the button to both lock it and unlock it, or open it. But again, this is going to go into my bug out bag when I get done with the video. Thank you again, Great Star, for sending these over. Keep an eye out for the dedicated video on these items. And there you have it. That is everything that came into the channel for the month of January. As far as I know, there could be something I forgot. But I do want to thank you for stopping in and checking out this video. I greatly appreciate it. If you want to help support my gear obsession, my gear addiction, and my spending problem, all you gotta do is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and comment down below. You can always buy me a coffee as well. Like, I need more coffee, but that is definitely something that I greatly appreciate when y'all do. Again, thank you for stopping and checking out this video. I greatly appreciate it. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I'll see you next time.